If you've seen ads for DeepSearch AI search assistant promising to instantly uncover anyone's hidden social profiles and digital footprints, here is the honest, straightforward truth. So the app claims to use AI to scan public records and consolidate someone's online presence. In reality, it functions as a glorified search wrapper. Then these widespread user reviews reveal that the results are incredibly hit or miss, frequently failing to load anything you couldn't easily find yourself using a basic Google search or chat GPT. The biggest issue is the aggressive pricing structure. It lures you into a trial costing $1 to $2 for the first week, but quickly auto renews into a steep $7 to $10 per week, or $40 annually if you subscribe through the App Store right here. So basically, it is available in App Store. It's also available in the Google Play Store. But is it worth it? Absolutely not. Between the heavy recurring weekly fees, the lack of unique data, and constant technical glitches, you are much better off saving your money. Skip this one entirely.